皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, I'm excited to share some Japanese love words and give you a glimpse into how to ask for a date in Japanese. I've prepared essential love words and phrases to help you navigate the language of love. So grab your notebook and get ready to dive into with me. Let's start with some fundamental words related to love. In Japanese, there are 3 distinct words for love, each carrying its own nuance. First, we have ai. This is like the big love that includes deep feelings and strong connection, not just romantic. On the other hand, koi. Koi is specifically for romantic love. It's the exciting and passionate kind of love you feel in a relationship. Lastly, we have renai. This is about the process of falling in love and being in love. It's all about the journey and the feelings that come with it. Let's break down love-related expressions. Suki. Suki simply means like. It's a straightforward way to express positive feelings towards someone. For example, まさきくんのことが好きです。まさきくんのことが好きです。I really like Masaki. If you are crushing on someone, you can describe the person as 好きな人、好きな人 or 気になる人、気になる人 For example, 社内で好きな人がいます。社内で好きな人がいます。I have someone I really like at work. 社内で気になる人がいます。社内で気になる人がいます。I have someone I'm interested in at work. If you have a specific type of person you like, we describe as type, which is the same of the English word type. For example, どんな子がタイプなの？どんな子がタイプなの？ What is your type of guy or girl? あの子マジでタイプ。あの子マジでタイプ。He or she is really my type. There are 2 common expressions for fall in love in Japanese. First, 恋に落ちる。恋に落ちる is a unique way to express the feeling of fall in love. 恋 means love, and 落ちる means fall. For example, 会社の同僚と恋に落ちました。会社の同僚と恋に落ちました。I fell in love with my coworker. 一目惚れ。一目惚れ is another way of saying fall in love. But this one is an instant crush when you see someone for the first time. 一目 means first look, and 惚れる means fall in love. For example, ミカに一目惚れしました。ミカに一目惚れしました。I had a crush on Mika at first sight. If you have a crush on someone, you might want to know if the person has a boyfriend or girlfriend. Then you can ask like, 彼氏はいますか？彼氏はいますか？ or 彼女はいますか？彼女はいますか？ Do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend? 彼氏 means boyfriend, and 彼女 means girlfriend. Now let's look at phrases for ask someone on a date. Go on a date in Japanese is デートに行く。 デートに行く。For example, 今夜彼氏とデートに行く。今夜彼氏とデートに行く。I'm going on a date with my boyfriend tonight. In Japanese, ask for a date is デートに誘う。デートに誘う。Like, 今日、稽古をデートに誘うつもりです。今日、稽古をデートに誘うつもりです。I'm going to ask Keiko to go on a date today. Let's learn some phrases for asking for a date in Japanese. Most direct way to ask for a date, you can say 今度デート行かない？今度デート行かない？ How about going on a date sometime? I understand many people think this is too direct. Don't worry, I have more natural ways to ask for a date. First, we have 今度に遊びに行かない？今度に遊びに行かない？ How about going to blah blah together sometime? Just add places you want to go in the blank. For example, 今度クラブに遊びに行かない？ How about going to the nightclub together sometime? 今度渋谷に遊びに行かない？ How about going to Shibuya together sometime? Or you can ask 今度一緒にでもどう？今度一緒にでもどう？ How about doing blah blah together sometime? Just add things you want to do in the blank. For example, 今度一緒に食事でもどう？ How about going to eat together sometime? 今度一緒に映画でもどう？ How about going to a movie together sometime? Or more polite way, you can say よかったら一緒に行きませんか？よかったら一緒に行きませんか？ Would you like to go to blah blah together? Just add things you want to do in the blank. For example, よかったら一緒にランチに行きませんか？ Would you like to go to lunch together? よかったら一緒にドライブに行きませんか？ Would you like to go for a drive together? Or if you are talking something that interests both of you and you want to ask if he or she wants to go there together, then you can simply say よかったら一緒に行きませんか？よかったら一緒に行きませんか？ Would you like to go there together? If you want to ask when you can see them, you can say いつ空いてる？いつ空いてる？ Or more polite way いつ空いてますか？いつ空いてますか？ When are you free? It's means when. Or いつ会える？いつ会える？ More polite way. いつ会えますか？いつ会えますか？ When can we meet? When you are ready to express your feelings, 告白する in Japanese, you can say 付き合ってください。付き合ってください。Will you be my boyfriend or girlfriend? For example, 前から好きでした。付き合ってください。前から好きでした。付き合ってください。I've liked you for a while now. Will you be my boyfriend or girlfriend? 付き合う means to be in a romantic relationship or to date someone. For example, 今、健太と付き合っています。今、健太と付き合っています。I'm dating Kenta. Finally, I love you is translated to 愛してる。愛してる which expresses deep love and affection. But interestingly, we don't use this phrase often. Many people find it a bit feel embarrassed, and Japanese couples rarely say 愛してる to each other. Instead, we often use 大好きだよ、大好きだよ and 好きだよ、好きだよ. These expressions are more casual and are commonly used with boyfriend, girlfriend, and family. In addition, in Japanese culture, many people believe it's unnecessary to say 愛してる to express affection toward their partner. Instead, they prefer to show their affection through thoughtfulness and actions. As Valentine's Day is approaching, I would like to introduce very unique Valentine's Day custom. In Japan, Valentine's Day is often a day for girls to express their feelings through a giving chocolate. They give chocolate not only to their boyfriend or husband, but also to the guy they like. This special chocolate is called homemade choco. And in Japan, there's a day called White Day on March 14th, 1 month after Valentine's Day. Now it's the guys' turn. They give gifts to the girls who gave them chocolate on Valentine's Day as a return gesture. And there you have it. My guide to expressing love and asking for a date in Japanese. Language is a powerful tool, so use these phrases with sincerity and respect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for next video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in my future video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた。